Okay guys, this is BMW 750i 2009, and as you can see, those handles, they're just like so sticky, and I just don't like them. And guess what I bought? I bought these covers. They're like maybe like 30 bucks, around like 40 bucks or maybe 50. And so you don't have to put anything on it. You can just put them on like that, and it's gonna look awesome. Let's see, just clips on, and stays there. And on the bottom too. So on the bottom, it's hard to see. It's like this. It holds like on the bottom too. There we go. So it's good as new now, and it's plastic. It's not gonna get bad anymore. And I bought for all of them. Okay, so same here on this side. Good as new, not sticky or anything. Same to the back. And they actually say like on the inside of this plastic, it actually says like where it's going, like which door. Like here was saying like right, on the left side it was saying like left, and on the driver's side it was saying like front left, and on that one front right. So guys, if this video was helpful, like and subscribe to my channel, and see you next video.